Hello everyone. While we all love to watch live action television, we cannot deny that, as kids, our fondness of television began with animated series. Now it is true, the animated series area, as we are seeing it in India at least, has taken a hit. The 90s and the early 2000s had some of the best cartoons I have ever watched, and Cartoon Network helmed the awesomeness. So in today's video, I will be talking about the rise and the apparent downfall of Cartoon Network in India. Now, Cartoon Network started airing in India almost 25 years ago on 1st May 1995 as the first kids channel in India dedicated to cartoons, and it is operated by Turner International in India. In the 1990s, it originally aired only Hanna-Barbera cartoons such as the Yogi Bear Show, Top Cat, The Flintstones, and Scooby-Doo. The channel quickly started to develop, airing for the first time MGM cartoons like Tom and Jerry in 1996 and Warner Brothers shows like the Looney Tunes in 1997. In 1998, Cartoon Network started to air its first original shows like Space Ghost, Coast to Coast, and The Moxie Show. In 1999, the channel started to offer Hindi dubbed versions of its shows such as Scooby-Doo, The Flintstones, SWAT Cats, The Mask, Captain Planet, and certain other selected programs. Later on in the same year, we got newer original shows such as The Dexter's Laboratory, Ed, Edd and Eddy, Johnny Bravo, and the next year we got shows like The Powerpuff Girls and Courage the Cowardly Dog. The DC animated universe started premiering in the 2000s, starting with the Batman animated series, which is one of my favorite, the Superman animated series in 2001, and Justice League in 2002. In 2001, due to its immense popularity, Cartoon Network became a 24-hour channel. It started Japanese anime and American action animation like Dragon Ball Z, Inazuma 11, Naruto, and Transformers. In 2005, it started anime series like Beyblade and Pokemon, which were immensely popular and enjoyed number 1 and number 2 position in the kids genre. However, as time passed, Cartoon Network started facing tough competition from other animated TV channels. Shows like Doraemon, Shin-chan, Ninja Hattori had the prime time focus, and Cartoon Network started lagging behind. Quality animated shows were not coming out of the channel like before. Cartoon Network started to repeat telecast its old shows, and later on, it replaced those other shows by animated shows of substandard quality. And the same pattern has continued ever since, with a further decline in the quality as the years passed. There are a few reasons which might be the core of the problem. First of all, if any of you remember, animated series like Ed, Edd and Eddy and Courage the Cowardly Dog were widely popular. However, if you show these to the kids of the current generation, there is a good chance that the shows won't be well received. Both the shows had somewhat of a dark aura, which is something that would probably not be appreciated by kids of today. We seem to be moving towards a society that is more sensitive than ever, and thus making something that doesn't offend, upset, or displease anyone is quite hard. Let's look at some of the current favorites. For example, Augie and the Cockroaches is one. This show has zero premises and just a load of terrible dubbing and mimicry, all of which combines to make it a poor cartoon, and yet it sells. Now, I don't think that the kids of today prefer these cartoons, it's just that the standard of what passes for humor in cartoons and just their overall quality has been lowered so much that the kids have no frame of reference to judge such cartoons by. But there has also been some good animated series recently. As far as those with kids as their target audience are concerned, series like Ben 10 did exceptionally well. That show is a great example of cartoon growing up with its original target audience. However, recently when Ben 10 got rebooted for the new generation, and as you might have already assumed, the new Avatar, it is terrible. An ideal cartoon show for a kid, like most shows from 90s, would have a clear premise, a storyline that will be easy to follow, and yet made a kid think. There were morals taught, lessons learned, and the characters that would seem real. The kids' cartoons now have just been reduced down to rely upon slapstick humor, zero story, and absolutely no substance. The kids and teens of today are mostly engrossed in mobile phones or computers, either playing video games or making TikTok videos. And now everything is available online for free, from movies to animated series. So I don't think Cartoon Network is going to bring back those old nostalgic shows. Because at the end of the day, it's all about business and money making. So, as a conclusion, I would like to thank Cartoon Network for making at least our childhood a memorable one. So, that's the video, guys. Please do let me know your views regarding this video in the comment section. To subscribe our channel and to be notified whenever I post a video, do hit the bell icon. Until then, stay home, stay safe.